My name is Mcosker. I live in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm from Portland, Maine, and I am 8 out of 9 courses through the ALM Masters on a thesis track. I started this journey during the COVID pandemic when I thought perhaps this was the right time, finally, to go back and begin a master's degree. And really, this has just been the most incredible journey for me. Layering sustainability into a whole host of other things that I do in my business day to day, and also into our farm, which began as a side project and a passion project for sustainability and agroforestry, et cetera, and really has become front and center and much more full-time for me day to day. And so the portions of sustainability and climate change that we are most focused on, both in the program and in life, are agroforestry, the regenerative economy, including regenerative ag and farming, circularity, trying to take some of these linear take, make, waste practices in both the manufacturing and production of food systems and foodstuffs into more of a circular fashion, including coffee, which is my current passion and the primary crop that we grow at the farm. For me, the most incredible value add in this entire master's program were, of course, the courses, the professors, but the fellowship and the students and the engagement around all of the different salient points, both in the market day to day, as we go through the COP27 now in Egypt, as we roll out with all of these terrible, awful headlines and many, many great headlines. Every single day we get to engage with our fellow students, graduates, current students, professors, ancillary business folk that come in as speakers, and it's really this community that adds a tremendous amount to the way that we're able to digest and strategize about and ultimately, hopefully, impact in a really positive way this climate crisis that we all find ourselves a very intimate part of. And in terms of coursework specifically, for me, I deliberately undertook this journey starting in 2020 specifically to make that pivot. And so the courses for me have been absolutely fundamental and integral in that journey. And I've spent a lot of time, many hours poring over the syllabi and the course descriptions, talking with previous students, speaking with professors or potential professors, and the courses that I have ended up enrolling in, I absolutely have taken a tremendous amount from and really have shaped the brand new direction that we're taking with a circular coffee revolution. The other interesting thing is that these courses really have helped me find a way to integrate so much of my fintech background into the sustainable economy. We're actually changing a couple of our online platforms right now to be able to address some of the opportunities in the carbon credit world, a lot of the financial world that I was a part of for over a decade up in New York City is swiftly making changes towards the ESG and impact investing, and it's really wonderful and exciting to see that change day to day here in class and be able to experience those things through the lens of all of our classmates with all these just varied backgrounds and opinions and different trajectories. It really is a very special thing. If I had to pinpoint a couple courses that are specifically taking, CoffeeWorks and the things that we're doing in the right direction, out of the 8 that I've been through so far, Dr. Layton's Rural Food and Ag course obviously was very spot on in terms of our business plan and our business practices, and really enjoyed that we explored how to make agroforestry and sustainable farming a business, and that it needs to make money in order to make sense and be sustainable and viable long term. The other course that really hit home for me in this new trajectory was Dr. Manuel Maqueda's circular economy, and hopefully soon next semester regenerative economy courses, really challenging the way that we think about all of the different economies up and down, from coffee production to the water that we use, to the shipping that we choose, all the way up to the manufacturing and then ultimate consumption here in the United States of America, which is about 60% of the the specialty coffee consumption world. So many tremendous courses, so many amazing students, and just really, it's been a wonderful journey so far. Looking forward to what's next.